Hey yo, what is up people, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys what does FYP means and the word simp means and the word IB and CEO of means in TikTok. So these are some terms used on TikTok, so let me tell you guys what it means. And yeah, before I tell you guys, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on if you guys are new to this channel, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll answer you guys as well. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on what these terms really means. So the easy one, FYP, it means for you page. So what for you page is, it's basically like a recommendation page of TikTok where it recommends you. The TikTok is basically this page. At the top you guys can see for you written over here. So the short form of for you is FYP. For you page. It's basically like YouTube's recommendation page where it recommends us the video, and in this version it's TikTok's recommendation page. And the other word, IB, the full form is inspired by. So basically if you see the word IB on like the caption, it's basically trying to say like this TikTok video was inspired by, and it's gonna be written like a following person's name or like a following title, anything. IB means inspired by. And the word simp means, simp is a slang insult for men who are seen as too attentive or submissive to women, especially out of a failed hope of winning some entitled sexual attention or activity from them. So basically those men who are overly, attentive to women and submissive to women are called simp. And in another term, simp is also known as a silly or foolish person, but in TikTok, if you see the word simp, then it's basically the one I said, the person who is attentive and submissive to women. So yeah, that's the meaning of the word simp. And another meaning of the word CEO of means, so basically you guys might know CEO. So the owner of a company is called CEO. So in TikTok, the person saying CEO of basically means to say that the owner of, okay? So if you see a dance and it has written of CEO of this dance, it basically means that he is the creator of this dance, telling owner of this dance. So that's basically what these terms means: FYP, simp, IB, CEO of. Hopefully you guys understand, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any question, you can comment down below. We'll answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.